Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the binary wave indicator for MT4 and MT5. This is a composite trend and momentum tool that converts 7 different indicators into a single wave line, so you can quickly see when the market is broadly bullish or bearish instead of checking each input separately. In this video, you'll see how the binary wave line appears beneath price, how its values change with trend strength, and what the main inputs do. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. But allow the LL imports, and there we have it. In a separate sub window, the binary wave indicator plots a single line that oscillates between negative and positive values, often within a band such as about -7.7 to +7.7, as you can see over here, with the current maximum weight shown in the corner. Higher positive readings indicate that most of the underlying components, price versus moving average, MACD slope, OsMA, CCI, momentum, RSI, and ADX direction are aligned bullish, while lower negative readings mean those components are aligned bearish. Extreme values near the top or bottom of the scale imply strong consensus and possible exhaustion, while moves through the zero line act as early warnings that the overall trend bias could be changing. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. Weight parameters let you assign importance to each of the 7 components or turn any of them off by setting its weight to 0, shaping how much influence each part has on the composite waves. Threshold ideas like using values above roughly +5 for buys and below -5 for sells can be applied as filters, so you only act when the wave is strongly in your favor. As for who this indicator is for, the binary wave indicator is suited to traders who want a single confluence line that summarizes multiple indicators into one trend and momentum readout. It is a visual filter only, does not execute trades, and because it is built from standard lagging tools, it can still respond late or whipsaw in choppy markets, so it should be combined with price structure and risk management. You can download the binary wave indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. It gives you a compact way to read 7 indicators at once as a single bullish or bearish wave. If you got value from this overview, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.